everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with another entry to my 2K challenge / giveaway. This is from Butterfly Spirit here on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Her real name's Donna. Her birthday is the 28th of March. Oh, you and my granddaughter share the same birthday. Her loves are purple, butterflies, and sparkle. And are you ready to see her card? It is so cute. Look at. It's a shaker, guys. She embossed. I don't know if you guys can see it. The butterflies. Can you see the butterflies embossed back there? And she got all these little flowers in there. In sequence. I'm going to put them to the top because these are cool. Look at all the little shaker bits. There's butterflies little flowers in there, round shakers, little flowers. Then it says, seek magic every day. That's on there. And then this pretty butterfly, these flowers, and these star washi tape. So pretty. Look at shake, shake, shake. Not a shaker. They're gorgeous. I mean, you ladies and gentlemen. Can't forget our gentleman, Brian joined. So, Butterfly Spirit. Thanks for joining and good luck. You are my 27th entry. I'm so stoked that I got this many. I am like, every time I get another one, I'm like, yeah! So, forgot what I was doing. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to put Donna's name so I know. Donna. There we go. Okay. There we go. She's new to my channel, so I don't know her as well. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. You know I do that. Because I figure anybody that's a friend of mine should become a friend of theirs. Okay, let's see. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more. Come on, people. 11 more entries, and I'll have front and back side of a paper done. That would be phenomenal. Let's get it rolling. At least make 30. Alrighty, here you go, Donna. Butterfly Spirit. And I spelled spirit wrong. Wow, I am really not on it today. I'm going to redo her tag. Wow, I can't believe I spelled that right. B. There we go. I'm going to rip this one up. You see me ripping up the first one I screwed up on. Okay. And I'll cut this one out. Boom. And there we go. I'll pull it so you guys can see. There we go. Boom. And in the box we go. Boom. What the hell? Well, how that got in there. Look at them. Yeah, it's so cool. It's hard to believe that there are 27 in here, but there is. Alright. So, thank you, Donna. And Butterfly Spirit, I should say. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. There is still time. Like I say, if you get it out late, you still want to be entered, just send me a copy or a picture of your entry of like this. Say you got it done, but you get it in the mail late. Send me a picture of this and then like the package address to me, and I will still enter you into the 2K challenge / giveaway. I will be picking the winner. I said the 5th. of, oops, wrong way, June, which is a Saturday. But I might have to change that to Sunday because I forgot I have a party on the 5th. I have a pool party. So, and we're probably spending the night out there. So, more than likely, due to the fact that it's a Saturday anyways, I'll wait for the mail to come in and I won't be home. So, I will probably pick the winner. I will go live on the 6th. I wanted to inform you all that. So, it'll be the next day, the 6th. I will go live and I will pick the winner. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, and be crafty. And bye for now.